Hi friends, welcome back to my channel iQOO. In this video I'm going to talk about the iQOO 7 device regarding the GreenTint problem for the new users. Yes friends, recently because of the iQOO 7 offers in the Amazon website, few of the users they did buy this iQOO 7 device, and few of the users are actually getting this kind of GreenTint problem as well. These exact comments friends which I got around, I think maybe yesterday I did get the comment and I did take the screenshot as well. As soon as I got the comment, as you can see, I bought the iQOO 7 and I did see the GreenTint, so want some help how to reach you. So basically, if you buy the iQOO 7 device friends, this video might be really helpful. So not all the phones will be having this kind of problems in the iQOO 7 device. Only few models will be having this kind of green tint wala problem. So one thing to do is that try to apply for the replacement in Amazon, because Amazon they don't know this kind of problems exist with this iQOO 7 device. And as I said, this is not happening in all the units. So once after you apply for the replacement, there are chances that the next upcoming unit may not be having any kind of green tint problem in the iQOO 7 device. And you might be able to notice the green tint in the lock screen if you try to use a fingerprint. If you use any kind of fingerprint and if you use this kind of notification, if you try to do, only then you'll be able to see this green tint problem. If you disable this fingerprint, you won't be able to see. But anyway, with the software updates also, green tint problem got slightly decreased when compared with the before versus right now after Android 12. Yes, so little bit got decreased friends, not bad. So at least they have done their part little bit good, not bad, because I've been waiting for this kind of updates from so many months, and finally after the Android 12 I did see little bit decreased in the green tint, but it did not decrease in the lock screen green tint were completely there, but inside Google Chrome applications and certain applications I did not see any kind of green tint in the iQOO 7 device. So this is a quick update friends which I thought of giving you all regarding the iQOO 7 device regarding the green tint problem. If you face green tint, kindly please apply for the replacement within the time what they have given for you, and they'll definitely approve the replacement and you'll get the another unit. Once after you get the another unit, try to check again for the green tint. So just it's very simple to check friends. You just need to turn on the dark mode. So let me show you the dark mode. Dark mode, and try to open the Google Chrome or maybe in the lock screen as well. When you try to pull down, you'll be able to see the green tint. So right now there is complete lighting effect. That's the reason you are not seeing. But if there is no light in the room, you might be able to see some kind of green tint going on. So as you can see, when some kind of green tint, you can see how the green tint is like shifting. So on the lock screen, you will be able to see. It's gonna completely decrease, not bad. So before it used to be a lot worse in this area regarding the green tint. Even in the settings application also you should be able to see it. But right now in the Google Chrome you can see little bit is there, but not much. As you can see friends, little bit in this section, little bit. But before it used to be a lot regarding the green tint problem. I'm not sure whether you are aware or not. Make sure to watch my videos, you will definitely understand it. This is a quick update friends regarding the green tint problem in the iQOO 7 device, which might be helpful for other users who did buy this iQOO 7 device and facing this green tint problem. Please try to apply for the replacement as soon as possible. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates and bye.